Taking what was shown in the previous video about creating an impedance validation coupon, the next step is to test the coupon after it has been completely manufactured. Since the strip line on the coupon directly represents the ones on the printed wiring board, it can prove that intolerance coupons imply an intolerance printed wiring board. The instrument used here at Netvia to measure and validate impedance strips are from Polar Instruments and are referred to as controlled impedance test systems. By making contact to the test strips on the impedance coupon from the probe connected to the time domain reflectometer, the hardware-software combination begin recording impedance characteristics. Once the software has validated the impedance strips and marked them as passed, a report is taken to quality control presenting the results.